Hi, this is the Fairphone 4 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and now in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should just click to open the app, tap to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. And after that, we could see here information about your battery temperature. In my case, the battery is in 26 and 6 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.